I let AI decide my whole day here in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm literally breaking his ribs. Is this the brain?
Yeah.
Experience. One day, everything will be yours. That's actually me. That's my phone. But first, we have to have one show at the Macmillan Memorial Library. But after that, we're in the hands of AI. Hi, Alexander. Right now, in your pocket, you can stream intelligence. That's why in the beginning you have your songs, you're singing, it unites people, it creates something. Thank you so much. We guys had a great session in there. It was very intimate, 20, 25 people, very interested in her specific cause on how to use AI. Now, AI will decide our day. So he's telling me that we're gonna go to Kosewe Ranalo Foods on Kimati Street. This beloved local restaurant is famed for its Luo-style dishes. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Luo-style dishes. Think whole tilapia from Lake Victoria with ugali and Sukamo Wiki. The vibe is casual, busy, and unmistakably Kenyan. Make it a perfect start. The meal I'm supposed to try the fried or stewed fish with a side of ugali and kashumbari. Let's try that. So we're going to eat some traditional lunch here at the Ronaldo's.
So Ronaldo's is a Luo restaurant. So Luo is a tribe in Kenya.
Yeah.
So they come from the western side of Kenya. So it's a lake region.
Yeah.
So they do a lot of fishing and it's freshwater fish.
That's why I should try the fish according to AI.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Do you think it's a good suggestion?
Yeah, I think so.
The best thing with this is there's a lot of stairs, so you get even hungrier by the time you reach the top. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're trying this juice in this restaurant, and I got the taste of passion. So let's see first reaction. Hey, this was good. Yeah. One of the worst things I know when it comes to eating is when the food looks like how it looks like in its natural habitat. I don't like to eat chicken wings because you feel the wings of it, and this one looks like a whole fish.
It is a whole fish.
It's literally looking at me, and it's screaming and it's saying, "Don't eat me!" I can feel the bones in it. I just broke a rib cage from the fish, I think. I mean, it's good. It's just the feeling of everything. It just makes it like I'm digging in its body, you know. How do you say cheers? Maido.
So Maido means eyes. So it's literally like when you're doing a toast, you stare into someone's eyes.
Maido.
Yeah.
How do you say let's eat?
Tukule.
Tukole.
Yeah. Kula is eat, so let's eat is tukula.
Tukola.
Sasa unajua mimi niko na mchele.
Slowly breaking the get this on camera. I'm literally breaking his ribs by I'm every molecule of my body is shivering while I'm trying to eat this.
It's very good. So tasty. Murad is about to throw up on me.
For everyone watching, I just have to be honest. It's really, really good. If this was not looking like this, I would devour this. But it's just me. Is this the brain?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
And So we tried the food. I mean, taste-wise, it was amazing. It's just, I can't, as you noticed, I can't bear to see the actual fish. And now AI says we should take a Matatu. So let's try and see how that goes. Over here we can take the Matatu. Hey man. This is the car, you see it? Alexander. Sweden. So we just did our first Matatu ride ever, and it was like a whirlwind of expressions. I'm not doing any other type of transportation than Matatus when I'm in Nairobi from now on.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, I told us to feed a giraffe, and here we are with purple tongue.
No.
Oh, it was so...
What's the feeling? What's the
It's
feeling?
very slimy, bro. You wanna try it?
Okay.
Yeah. Give it smell.
Take one. Let me see. Take one. How did you come down?
She's like, no food? What are you standing here for?
Oh, like that was crazy. Like I've seen giraffes before, but like I never fed them. And their tongue was like such a slimy. I don't know how to explain like the consistency of touching them. But it was dope. It was a really good thing. I'd say AI, you made a good choice in recommending this because now I can't imagine a reality where I didn't do this. If you ever come to Nairobi, you have to visit here because like you're supporting a good cause of helping these giraffes, but at the same time, you get this live. AI says we're going to Kik's rooftop helipad to get like a 360 view of Nairobi, and the perfect timing with sunset is just around the corner, or around the cloud, what you say, or around the globe.
AI told us to get to the top of this building to see the panoramic view of Nairobi. And yeah, soon as sunset will set, it's cloudy, and not everything AI tells us is easy because apparently this place was closed, so we had to like drive our way in here. But you can't make me fail, Now enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
That's Gong Hills. That's where I come from. You can see those hills there?
This is such a Lion King moment. We're like, you see this beyond the hills, everything there.
Everything it touches.
Never go there.
That's
Papa.
mine.
Simba, never go there.
This is all my property.
One day, everything will be yours.
Come, let me hold you up.
No, we're good. We're good. Okay, so I mean, AI had a good idea with the whole sunset and everything, but they didn't really calculate in the weather because it's too cloudy. Maybe I should have prompted it and say, make sure that the weather is clear enough for any suggestions you might have that is weather situational. But yeah, but still,
So beautiful. So beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's the most beautiful skyline I've ever seen. Some might say this skyline is the best skyline. Donald Trump. Most beautiful. So beautiful. I've never seen any. No one watches a skyline like me. No one can see a sunset. Some people tell me that when I look at sunsets, it's the best sunset. No one have ever seen anyone look at the sunset and look so good when I look at the sunset. Watch me when I look at the sunset. Oh wow. Oh wow. So beautiful. Oh wow. You see, it's a tester.
I don't know why you look like you're full. I don't know. It looks so funny.
What?
This is you.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait. How did you? Wait, this is me. This is.
It was so fast. It's my fastest painting.
Why did you do this?
Yeah, I saw you coming to Kenya.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you know I was here?
I saw. I've been following
On Instagram?
vlog. Yeah. On
Yeah.
Instagram.
Oh my god. What? That's actually me. This me, that's my phone.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. You did this yourself?
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Yeah, it's wet over here.
Oh my god. I'm gonna find this photo. I have this on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
It's so surreal. I don't even know how to. Oh, that's crazy. That's incredible. Like, I can't even. Wait, let me find this picture. It's somewhere here, right? So this picture is taken in Mongolia. Yeah. Here. So it's this one, yeah. So I posted Instagram where I like showed all the pictures like my photographer took when I was in Mongolia when I'm holding my phone all the time. I made it like a carousel, right? And this is one of them. Wow! Like made a painting of me. It's
Oh my god, this is incredible. Dude, man, mad respect. That's so cool. That's so cool.
He says that he usually does this. Like he follows someone he likes, he finds the picture, and whenever he shoots a picture, it's like the picture that the person likes the most. And this is literally a picture I like a lot. Like I republished this a lot of times, and God gave me that. Told you like this is the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredible. That's crazy. I get to keep it?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, for real. It's yours.
Like I feel like I show speed right now. Like, yeah, people are coming like, here's a painting. I was like, what? Make your own honey as well? From Tanzania, we're going there on Sunday. We're going to Zanzibar and Dar es Salaam.
Oh my gosh.
It's honey from Tanzania.
Oh wow, we're going there.
Yeah.
Akipiga malapa anachia bibi yake. Anaiangalia.
It's 21. Is it okay? Like this is all I have. You sure? 21,000. We go over. Man, much appreciated, bro. But I'm telling you this much. I love AI and everything that has to do with AI, but it's never gonna replace this feeling of someone who just hand drew a painting of me, and like that's never, AI can never replace that. Like someone would send me a picture like, oh, hey, I did this picture with AI, I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, that's cool. But this, damn.
Sure. Yeah, bring
you.
more.
We just, AI has taught us to do a lot of things today. We've almost seen a sunset, we've fed some giraffes and stuff like that. Something it didn't tell me was that painting I was gonna get from one of our followers, which was like the most insane moment in my life, I think, so far. But now, it's told us to go to a restaurant to eat at Carnivore. Carnivore it's supposed to have like all-you-can-eat buffet with like crocodiles and ostrich and like all kind of gamey meat. So let's just see. Oh, look at that. So we just got instructions. Apparently here is an all-you-can-eat buffet. They will keep serving you with bread, soup,
salad, and then they will come with meat and sauces. We get everything from crocodile to ostrich to different types of fish and meat. And when we're finished, when we feel like, oh, we can't have enough more, then we do like this. And then we get no more food. But this will never happen. I will never be the one that does this. Oh, it's not a straw. This is not a straw. It's good, fresh. We're getting some ostrich right here. I think another one. Another one. No, I was kidding. No, it's right. Ostrich right here. Tell them to bring out the whole jungle. It's actually so good. We're getting the crocodile. Let's try with some garlic. Oh, it tastes exactly like chicken.
Yeah?
Exactly like chicken. That's crazy. Try some lamb ribs. Oh. It just melts in your mouth. It's so tender and so soft. Look at it, just the way it just spreads from the bone. So good. Okay, so now next on the menu is the cat over there.
Don't even say that.
So they're gonna get it. So they're gonna catch that cat and put it on a and then
Don't say that.
Martin is done. Maina is done. Sena is finished. It's time. We get the sorbet with the mosquitoes and the vanilla creme brulee. Okay, so let's try. It's pineapple mint chocolate. Oh, it was so fresh. And then we had the ginger pudding. I'm quite curious about this one. I think this homemade ice cream, I think. They do it right here, right? And then we had a ginger pudding. I've never tried that before. You can see here on the inside how it looks like. But let's try it first with just the pudding. It tastes like a sweet ginger shot. So that in combination with the strawberry. Oh, it was actually insane. The way you eat creme brulee is you do like this, and then you crack it. And here we go, creme brulee. Let's try vanilla creme brulee, right? So that's actually interesting. This was the one I was looking most forward to. But I would say compared to these, that's my number one. I'd eat this anytime I come here. It's my number two, this is my number three. Like how can I literally just ate a whole forest and then I go there and I feel a smell of that and I'm like, yeah, I could have a bite, right? How is that even? Oh man, thank you so much.
Thank you, welcome again.
Imagine if he didn't even work here, just a random guy walking by. It's like, there you have it, guys. AI decided my day in Nairobi, and I think it was perfect. It was good. I mean, we missed the sunset, but a lot of things were just, I mean, the Matatu, this place was a 10 out of 10, and feeding the giraffes and everything like that. It was like, it was a great day. Can't wait to come back to Nairobi and do more stuff. And yeah, if you like my content, if you appreciate what I do, you can give back by subscribing, dropping a comment, dropping a like. Maybe tell me if you're from Kenya, did I miss something? Was it something you were surprised of? Let me know what you think. And yeah, see you on another video.